The grab battles of my cousin Corey's imagination. Coughing creature versus apple.
TGX on a beat.
I'm the coffin creature. I'm the real artist. You're just a guest feature. I've got a bad throat, but when I'm freestyling, I never ever choke. An apple a day keeps the bitches away. I think that apples are very, very, very gay. Never ever offer me a lozenge. Bet there's a worm in you. That's cringe.
I am an apple, I am greener, even red. I think you should carve hard until you're dead. Everybody knows that best fruit is the apple. My bars are the rap equivalent of the Sistine Chapel. Do you want Honeycrisp or Granny Smith? Did I kill you in this rap battle? I plead the fifth. I am the #1 enemy of every single doctor. You should go to see one, cause you're a real cougher.
I'm the doctor, and here's the medicine. This apple is done, throw the core in the bin. Coffin creature, here's my prescription. Once you take these meds, you won't be coughing. Now get ready, cause here's my bill. Make sure to pay it quick, or blood will spill. That's right, bitch, I'm secretly the evil king of hell, Satan. You've got no gimmick now, creature, let the second verses begin.
What am I even without my iconic cough? Now when people see me, all they do is scoff. Now I'm just a creature, I am so generic. This total blandness has rendered me apathetic. I am just like a little thing with nothing to do, not even half as recognizable as the red of you. I guess I'm done, no more bars to spit. I cough no more, I quit.
It's okay, don't be sad, my little creature. I can help you, I'll be your teacher. I was scared before this battle, being a broad concept. I cried and I shook scared, I even wept. But you can still do it, make a rhyme. You have the power of every creature, now it's your time. Don't disappoint me, I want to see you shine. I'll give you an extra verse, then it's bedtime.
Yo, what's up? I am the concept of creatures. There's lots of those little guys with crazy features. Fangs, talons, and maybe even one or more eyes. I cough no longer, it's time to revise. No one to choose who I am but me. Oh man, this fills me with such glee. Thank you, Apple, you truly are a kind soul. I think I have this dilemma under control.
No, the creature's overcome its trouble. My blend is filled. Now I return to my rubble. This game's winner is love, compassion, love for your fellow man, and friendship.
Holy shit.
Subscribe for more and comment down below what you would want to see next, such as Garfield versus Dracula, just an example. Goodbye.